Hi everybody, what's up and welcome back to this channel. Today I'm here with a new video, just a quick homesteading activity. I was checking some of the dania that I planted and some onions and some spinach and kale that I planted during this rainy season, and they're coming up nicely. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you how they're doing. Yeah, and then after that I have to clean my dispenser and then put in some clean water, and that will be it for this video. So stick with me. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all so much. All right, so let's get into this. So this is the farm where we have our mini garden. Our caretaker has planted some potatoes, as you've seen, and me on my small piece I have some spinach, some dania, coriander, and I also have some onions, some kale, and also what is the other thing? I have beetroot as well. Let me show you the beetroot. This one right here. I don't know how to plant a beetroot, but I just put it there and it's catching up well. All right, so let's get started on cleaning the dispenser. That's how it looks inside. As you can see, there's some dirt there, and this is after removing the dispenser. And I'm going to be using these cleaning products. I have here with me Magni all-purpose cleaner. It's an antibacterial cleaner. It kills germs, and I just need it to make sure I'm killing all the germs and all that. I also have my zesty lemon dishwashing liquid from Morning Fresh. As you know, I love this brand so very much. All right, so I'm going to be using that. I've already mixed what I need on this soap dispenser that I got from Kamukunji, from one of my friends who sells kitchen items. All right, so I'm just going to first take the Magni cleaner, spray it on the dispenser. I want to make sure I'm covering all areas. Then I'm going to scrub it. Like the first action that it's doing here, given what it does, is killing all the germs, all the bacteria and all that, and any buildup of dirt. All right, so normally if this was already clean, I would just spray, wipe, and it would be okay. But I'm going to do this, then go in with my scrubbing thing there with a bit of soap, and then scrub, make sure I'm removing all that, all build up, and then we are going to rinse it by passing water through the dispenser. Just normally the way you put in water here at this point where I'm currently washing, we're going to be putting water there as many times as possible until we rinse out all the soap residue, and we're going to have a clean dispenser. And that is basically how I am going to be cleaning this dispenser. All right, let me know in the comment section how you normally clean your dispensers. Do you ever clean your dispensers? All right, let me know in the comment section. I'm curious to know. I felt that I really needed to clean it because it has been, like, we put water, and the water when you want to drink, you can notice some discoloration, yet the water is clean. All right, so after this I will be boiling the water that I'm going to be putting here. I already washed the bottle, and then the other thing is cleaning the area where I'm going to be putting the dispenser back. So let's keep watching. If you like it, make sure you give me a thumbs up, like this video, share me out. Also leave a comment down below with any ideas, concerns, recommendations, if you've ever washed your dispenser, how did you do it? Did you do it differently than this? If there's another way, please just share it in the comment section. I will really appreciate. Someone will read your comment and they will really appreciate it. All right, so let's keep watching, and I hope that you're going to enjoy. And also remember that we are on the road to 100 subscribers, so make sure you help me reach that goal, and by subscribing, sharing me to as many people as possible. Take this link, share it to Facebook, to TikTok, Instagram, in your WhatsApp groups, everywhere. I will really appreciate it. All right, so this is what I meant by rinsing. Just put the water in there and then let it run through the outlet that you normally use to get water from your dispenser. Make sure you run it as many times as possible, and it will be clean. But please don't stay the night. Don't try to change my mind. Baby, please don't stay the night. I must do what's right. Don't make me ask you twice. Oh, don't stay
beside me. She know when she want it. I can never turn her down. Oh, I probably should have kicked her out by now. But you're the finest of them all. Make me lose my self-control. All I wanna do is make you feel alright. You drive me crazy, turn me on, and that's the reason I'ma let you go. Cause you and I both know that we can't keep it quiet. So please don't stay the night. Don't try to change my mind. Please don't stay the night. Almost do what's right. Don't make me ask you twice. Oh, don't stay the night. Don't try to turn it to a fight. You know I love you by my side. Just don't stay the night. Almost do what's right. I'm done being polite. Oh, don't stay the night.
So at this point we're doing actually well. The dispenser is coming out clean, but only one part is worrying me. You see the part where you press to get hot water from your dispenser, the pipe that transmits that water from this holder to the tap, the dispenser tap, it was not removing any water. And I came to realize later when I was fixing it now inside my kitchen, after I've already put it back in the house, it needed to have had hot water. So I took it back outside again and put some hot water in it just to get the soapy, because once I put hot water I realized that the water that was coming out, it was still very soapy. So I did that, I put hot water. So that is one thing maybe you can try in your next dispenser, or rather I can try for myself. I learned this day, putting hot water there. You see those two holes, one is for the cold tap and the other is for the hot tap. So it was the hot tap that was not removing the dirty water, but the dispenser is clean at this point. All right, so make sure you have some hot water to do the rinsing. It really helps. All right, so there I'm just going to hold that white thing to wash it, not hold, to wash that white thing, as you can see there. Then I will fix it back on the dispenser. Then the thing that is left is to just boil the water that I'll be, now that we are going, it's like distillation process. You remember in school how we learned the distillation process? Instead of purifying water with so many chemicals and all that, you just boil your water up to 100 degrees boiling point, then let it cool down, and there you have safe water to drink. So that's what I'll be doing after this, so that we can have safe and clean drinking water. So let's keep enjoying the video, and I hope that you are learning something. If you are, let me know in the comment section and I will really appreciate. Also at this point, let me encourage you to please like this video. It will help me a lot. If you are new here, make sure you like and share this video if possible. But the one thing that you can do that will not require much of your effort is to just like this video and subscribe. We are on the road to 100 subscribers and we are going to get there soon with your support, with your help, and I will really appreciate. And also, if you are coming from my previous channel, I've been forgetting to mention my fans from my previous channel. I used to have a channel called Robertina Mbula, and that channel I renamed it and pivoted it to be talking about money making things and all that. So in case you're interested in that kind of stuff, you can also hop on over there and follow that channel as well for money making tips, basically online money making tips and ideas. So if you are coming from that channel, welcome, feel at home. This is where we're doing the homemaking stuff. Yeah, as you can see, local mom life, just the normal things that we do as mothers. We are not setting high standards. I know a majority of people in the world don't have those very high standards that we get from other YouTube creators. Even myself, I found myself being influenced by something that I know I can't really achieve. So this is just raw how life is. the most local level. We'll be going to the village shops. We'll be going to the open air market. We'll be showing life as real as it is. All right, so thank you for coming, thank you for supporting, and thank you for watching. I know we are going to go far. We are going to grow this channel until we reach even hundreds of thousands of subscribers, and we shall remember this day. All right, so let's keep watching. The video is about to end. As you can see, I'm cleaning the space where I'm going to put the dispenser and put it there, then put the boiling water over there as well. So that's how we ended up storing the dispenser in the kitchen. At this point, we're just waiting for the water to boil. If you have noticed, the water bottle is still empty, but it's clean and the water is boiling. We're going to put 2 rounds of my hot water pot and it will be ready. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't watched my 2 previous videos, make sure you click on them right now, watch them. We have a shopping haul for the month of May, and we have a vegetables and fridge cleaning video. If you love homemaking cleaning videos, I know you are going to enjoy those videos, so make sure you go watch them and share them and like them as well. All right, so thank you. Until next time, stay safe.